Hey guys, today we're making okra and garlic water to reduce high blood pressure for those of you who have high blood pressure. First, we are going to be using our garlic, our beet leaves, and our okra. These three are all excellent at reducing high blood pressure. First, I will add my smashed garlic. Then I will add my beet leaves. And finally add my okra. I will now add warm water. I'll cover and let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, drink this on an empty stomach every morning for 5 weeks. Thank you for watching. Bye.